Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel that is ESA means English with Sumaya Azam. Abhi till now we were discussing all the lessons which were related to the academics. Whatsoever the videos we discussed, those all were related to the academics. Today we are here going to discuss something new, something for the professional people. It may happen several times whenever we are planning to go somewhere for the interview, there are certain questions which surround us. There are certain questions which revolve around our mind. बहुत से ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो हमारे माइंड में आते हैं, हमारा माइंड सेटअप नहीं हो पाता that how we have to make ourselves prepare for the job interview. So all those who are confused regarding this, so here's a video for you all, which here we will discuss all the queries regarding that. Here you will come to know that how you can make yourself prepare for the job interview. So stay tuned with us. We are here going to start with the topic that how to make yourself ready for the job interview.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
At a time it may happen that we are having certain questions in our mind. किसी भी job interview के लिए पहले जाने से पहले we are having certain questions. That's just natural. So what is the solution for all these? The solution is ESA. The solution we are having here in this clip. First of all, the most important thing that a person should have before going for a job interview is that you should be completely surrounded with the positivity. आप जिन चीज से surround होते हो, that is positivity. All you need is to surround yourself with complete positivity. And this is something that gives you the inner confidence, जिससे आप confidence आता है and you feel that yes, you are completely prepared for the job interview. Secondly, your dress up. Yes, that matters a lot. It happens certain times that to get attractive, we wear up the things and because of which we used to feel embarrassment afterwards. So this is something we have to look after for. Your dress up defines you. Your dress up tells about you. Make sure that your dress up is simple as well as decent. You can use some bold colors like black, brown, and yes, the most important thing, that color should suit you. So this is also a way that how you can get your inner confidence, that is how you have to represent yourself in front of people. Secondly, your makeup. It should be simple. It won't be that shining and it shouldn't be that glittery thing. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है just for that attraction purpose से we wear so much of makeup that it becomes over. You don't have to commit such mistake. Make sure that you are going for a job interview. It should be simple, it should be decent, and most importantly, it should suit you. You don't have to commit such mistake. Make sure that you are going for a job interview. It should be simple, it should be decent, and most importantly, it should suit you. Next, as it is said, that smile is the most beautiful makeup that a person can wear. And this is what I personally believe. Make sure that the time you enter the campus, the time you enter your office, you're having that bright smile on your face. Obviously, it defines you. It glorifies your beauty. As everyone says, that yes, smile is the most beautiful makeup that a person can wear. Your confidence. It may happen, yes, and yes, it's natural. जब भी हम किसी इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं, we certain times we are getting nervous because we don't know that what a person may question us or what kind of people will be there. We get nervous and that's completely natural and that is completely okay. You don't have to be nervous. You have to build up that inner confidence. Just be confident in front of them. Just be natural in front of them and definitely it will give you a positive result there. Next, your body posture. Yes, it should be very much elegant. Make sure because the person sitting in front of you judges in all the aspects to you. The way you sit, the way you walk, the way you talk, your body posture comes. That you are having a simple body posture. You are having a correct body posture in front of you. You don't have to lean onto the table. No, it's not the correct way. Sit direct in front of them. टॉक टू दम नेचुरली, उनसे आप नेचुरली बात करिए, आप स्ट्रेट बैठिए, आप उनसे नेचुरली बात करिए जैसे आप सबके साथ हमारे साथ करते हैं. बी फ्रेंडली विद देम. नेक्स्ट, certain times it happens कि whenever we are getting confused, confusion की वजह से sometimes we overreact also. You don't have to do that. It gives a negative impact. Be natural in front of them. Next, your language. It matters a lot. I know we all are highly educated, we are highly qualified, and the person sitting in front of you that knows it very well. So make sure that the language which you use is simple as well as understood by people. You don't have to make it so complicated. अपनी बात को आप naturally उन तक deliver करिए, अपने message को आप naturally उन तक deliver करिए. You don't have to make all those things so complicated. Use simple language, use simple terms, and in case if you make some mistake, if you commit some mistake, just simply say, I apologize for it. That's it. It will definitely leave a positive impact in front of them. Next, be natural. Means it happens sometimes कि हम कोई गलती कर देते हैं and just to rectify all those things we sometimes overreact in that case. No, you don't have to do that. Just be natural in front of them. Try to answer them in a simple manner. Sometimes it happens we become so diplomatic in front of them. जो भी हमारे क्वेरीज आते हैं, जो भी हमारे क्वेश्चंस पुट अप करते हैं, बी नेचुरल फॉर इट. बी नेचुरल फॉर इट. यू डोंट हैव टू मेक इट सो डिप्लोमैटिक. हमें अपने आंसर्स को बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं करना. मेक श्योर कि हमें अपना मैसेज डिलीवर करना है उन तक. वी डोंट हैव टू मेक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फॉर देम टू अंडरस्टैंड. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि दे गेट कंफ्यूज दैट वेदर यू आर अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर द जॉब और नॉट. नेक्स्ट, मेक श्योर as soon as you enter the room, just greet them naturally. Greet them with good morning, good afternoon, sir, ma'am. Just greet them naturally and make sure you're having a bright smile on your face. So that it somewhere gives that and it attracts people. Because your smile, obviously your beautiful smile just attracts people and you greet them naturally. I would say overall the best thing is to be punctual. Be punctual at your time so that the candidate sitting over there or the person sitting over there or the higher authority sitting over there, they don't have to wait for you. You are there at the time. So friends, this was all about the video. I'm sure this is going to be helpful for you all. The tips which I gave you, the tricks which I told you are somewhere means I would say that yes, this is something all you want. This is all you want to get ready for a job interview, and definitely it's going to be a perfect and an amazing one. You're definitely going to crack that interview. Wish you all the very best and I wish you all a very good luck. Just be prepared for a job interview and just crack it and stay tuned with the channel that is ESA means English with Sumayya Azam. See you all very soon. Have a great day ahead.